Hey everyone, David C. Anderson here coming at you from the Knifecenter. We've got a ton of stuff on sale to show you right now. We're right in the middle of Buck's annual factory authorized sale. Got a few items here in front of me. Let's check them out. So the Buck 110 is one of Buck's greatest hits. Made our list of top 5 Buck knives, and you can absolutely see why. Here's a couple different variations of the knife that we have on sale right now. We actually have some grooves in the handle here for indexing your grip. The steel on these blades are 420HC with Buck's famous Boss heat treat, which makes it perform like a much higher end steel than it actually is. We've also got ebony diamond wood handles and brass bolsters for just a really classic look. If you like the aesthetic of the classic Buck 110 but want something a little more modern, the 110 Auto Elite Folding Hunter is the way to go. This automatic version of the Buck 110 comes with nickel silver bolsters and a black G10 handle scale. Press the button right here, the blade fires out nice and quick. This also gets upgraded blade steel versus the base model with S30V particle steel. For a thoroughly modern Buck knife, we have the Buck Vantage Small in both Avid and Pro versions. Both of these knives feature molded nylon handles, and the Pro features a G10 scale and rosewood diamond wood on the Avid version. This knife is very easy to carry, it's nice and small to fit in your pocket, and has one of the best deep carry pocket clips in the business. As you could probably guess from the nomenclature, the Pro version features S30V blade steel, and the Avid version features that famous 420HC again. You can of course get the Vantage in a larger version, but if you want one that's really nice, the Legacy Collection Ivory Vantage is the way to go. This knife features ivory micarta inlays for a nice tuxedo look, same great pocket clip, but we have actually got a Damas steel blade on this one. Looks great and one of the highest performing steels that Buck actually offers. To complete the classy look of this knife, the backspacer itself is also Damascus. Next up, we've got the fan favorite Buck Marksman. The flipper on this knife is really nice, fires out very quickly, and this is a G&G Hawk collaboration with 154 cm steel. This aluminum handled knife is a little bit larger than the Buck Vantage, but it still carries that same great deep carry pocket clip. The defining feature of this knife though is the SLS strong lock mechanism. Designed as a way to keep your fingers out of the closing plane of the blade, making it safer to use since your fingers aren't going to get in the way of the edge. You simply lift up on the spine here and fold the blade closed. In addition to classic fixed blades like the Buck 119, one of the most interesting fixed blade designs to come out from Buck in recent years is the Compadre series. And the Compadre Camp Knife offers 4.5 inches of 5160 spring steel. The most notable design feature about this knife is of course that red coating, which is going to provide a lot of corrosion resistance for that steel, because while 5160 is a great performer and is very tough, it is a carbon steel and will rust if you don't take care of it. The walnut diamond wood handles provide a nice bit of contrast to that red and offer a very smooth and very hand-filling grip for all those camp needs. So that's all I've got to show you right here, but we've got a ton of stuff more that's marked down on our website. If you want to get your hands on any of these knives or see what else we have for sale, click the link in the description below.